So I was moving my fence, my table saw fence, and I noticed that piece fell off. It goes right behind here, and it seems like there are some screws that vibrated loose. So I had to get new screws at Lowe's to attach this metal piece that holds the fence on right there. I took the screw from the other side and took it to Lowe's to find that it was a metric M5-0.80 times 10. So I bought a little pack. The heads are a little bit bigger on these ones, but it should do the trick for getting this piece back on. So it goes on like so, and around the back side you could thread these, or you could screw these screws in. I'm going to use my impact gun to make sure they don't vibrate loose again. Probably a good idea when you first get this saw to go ahead and tighten these down. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the fence back on. And it's as good as new.